a lot to us if you keep cheering all the achievers this evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would now request our entertainment best event organizer, Preeti Jain, to please join me on stage. Founder of Wow Wings for Dreams, to please come up on stage. Congratulations everyone, a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, next I would request A.M. Faridi to please join me on stage, the producer. There she looks so stunning this evening. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We would love to felicitate her and she is here with us. Congratulations to you. Everyone, ladies and gentlemen, last few awards to go. I would request all of you to please keep cheering them up.
बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा।
Thank you so much for all your support and love. It means a lot to us. Thank you for joining us today. And you look really beautiful. Alright, with this I would love to call up
request Kaina to walk with her around. It will be a pleasure. Yash, can you play any music?
अरे यार
that was an amazing walk by this beautiful lady here on the runway. Thank you so much. And I'm really happy to announce that our showstopper is here. So let's felicitate her. I would love to call up on stage Krishna Khandelwal. Krishna Khandelwal, a showstopper. Next showstopper, which we missed, Veena Rodriguez. Can we have you on stage, please? Can I have Veena on stage? I would request Usha to please join me on stage, the fashion designer and the showstopper. Usha Diva, congratulations to you. Everyone, guys, please, last few awards to go. Keep cheering them up. Model of the Year, Anjali Macha. Can we have you on stage, please? would love to felicitate you for all the hard work that you have done. Can we have Anjali on stage and there she comes. Congratulations to you.
थैंक यू भाई.
Next, can we have Lakme Academy on stage, please? I would request Usha to please join me on stage from Lakme Academy. Receive the awards. GV Suprajha, can we have you on stage, please? Our next award to GV Suprajha, if you, and there she comes. A showstopper as well. Manstika Jain, a showstopper, to please join me on stage. Our next showstopper, Manstika. Can I have Ashwin Singh to please join me on stage, the founder and head coach. And next I would request Jigna Desai to please join me on stage. Congratulations to you. Our next showstopper, Tabassum, to please join me on stage. Tabassum. Congratulations to you. Lakme Academy, I would request once again if you are here to please join me on stage. Well, it's such an honor to have Kainat Arora here with us. Can we have a huge round of applause for her, please? And can I request you to have a picture, please?
कितना है कितना अवार्ड
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to have Kainat here with us. Kainat, thank you so much for joining us this evening. What would you like to say to our audience?
Thank you so much, everyone, for having me on board. And I would like to congratulate everyone who got awarded today on the stage. And it's a great honor to be part of
Hey,
this
Dinesh.
wonderful setup. And I hope we catch up really, very soon. Till then, enjoy your weekend. And I will pack the video. Close the video.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, that was a wonderful evening, but picture abhi baki hai. There are few more achievers which we have this evening with us. Ladies and gentlemen, there are few more fashion designers who are going to showcase their wonderful creation here on stage. I would request all of you to please stay back, where we'll just take a small break of 2 minutes and we'll be back. Thank